Hello and welcome to my channel. This reading is for those of you that have strongly Aquarius in your chart, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter for September 2021. Please have in mind that this is a general reading, so the messages that will come through may or may not resonate with you. If you are interested in a personal reading, all the information you need is down there below in the description box. Okay, Aquarius, let's see. So, Aquarius. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter for September 2021. Aquarius. You are focusing on your heart's desire. You have a wish, Aquarius. And your wish is stability. You are detaching. This is what I'm hearing. You are detaching from situations, from people that do not add to your stability, to your happiness. Two more shuffles for Aquarius, please, and we are ready. You are definitely releasing karma here. As I say, karma, the wheel of fortune. You're letting go. You are surrendering. You are allowing for the wheel of fortune to turn towards your favor. You're letting go of your ego. And on the bottom of the deck, we have the Three of Wands. Waiting for your ships to come in. Waiting for this wish of yours to come in to fruition. First card for you is the Nine of Swords. The King of Swords. That is your energy, Aquarius. The Star. Wow. You are all over the place here, so the Nine of Cups, the wish, that's your wish. So who is in this energy of the Nine of Swords here? The Page of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Eight of Cups. So you are definitely leaving something behind, or you considering leaving something behind. We're leaving the Eight of Cups behind in order to get to the Ninth Cup, which is our wish fulfillment. But I do sense here and see with the Two of Pentacles that not all of you, but a couple of you are still juggling. Meaning that you know that you have to bring the change. It could be that you have been waiting for change to come, but it's like you are realizing that you have to bring the change, not wait for it. And this is a bit frustrating for you. Because it could be that it is required to in order for you to make this change, it could be that it requires from you to take a leap of faith and or a risk of because I'm also getting the sense of there's a fear of losing something or someone. So but you see, by waiting, in a way you are losing yourself, and you don't want that. So this is the Two of Pentacles energy that I'm picking up here. Like, I don't want to lose this person. I don't want to lose this job. I don't want, but then you're losing yourself and you're like, what should I do? That's why the Nine of Swords. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords for Aquarius. Let's see. Why is the Nine of Swords here for Aquarius, please? Why is the Nine of Swords here for Aquarius? We have the Four of Cups. Yeah, I am. That's a song, right? You cannot see that right now, but, or you don't want to, but the advice here is to always look at the bright side of life. Yes, Monty Python's, I think. Yes, always look on the bright side of life. Well, you're not in that kind of energy, actually. Okay, but again, with this Four of Cups, I am getting the sense of loss. Okay, so let's say you are in a relationship that you're not happy in. Isn't that a loss? Yes. Let's say you work in a job, right, that doesn't bring you the Nine of Cups. It doesn't satisfy you anymore. Isn't that a loss? Yes. So it's like you are... Let's clarify the King of Swords. But that's the thing, that you are focused basically more on the problem than to solve it. And there is a solution here. And don't, please, I'm not judging anyone here, okay? But there's no use of you focusing on what has been lost or what you have, or is what is perceived as a loss here. Because there are good things around you. There are good people around you. There is love around you. But it's like you cannot see it right now. Or maybe you can, but let's clarify the King of Swords for Aquarius. The King of Swords for Aquarius, please. The Ten of Swords. This is in the Tower. Oh my goodness. Okay. Accepting, and what needs to go has to go, and you know, and whatever is to come, it will come. Be open to, you have to be open to that, because there's obviously here a new beginning. There is a new beginning, So you are in a way in a transition state. So I don't know if this is going to help you, but yeah, focus on what you have and whom you have in your life rather than focusing on what you don't have. Or whomever you don't have, like a specific person. There's a person in your life that you are interested in, but they're not around, they're not giving you attention. What did I say now? Maybe you were optimistic that this connection would be healed or that it would change. So let's clarify the star for Aquarius. We have the Empress and again the Wheel of Fortune. So the Empress is a mother, is a wife. And I feel here that you have been waiting for some kind of positive change, positive outcome. This has been your wish for quite some time, but there's a but. You cannot control anymore. This situation is like out of your hands. And this is maybe why you are in the Nine of Swords energy. You know that is not in your hands anymore. It's like you are guided to let go. You're guided to move forward, and it's hard for you. So let's clarify the Nine of Cups for Aquarius. The Nine of Cups for Aquarius. Yeah, this is a cycle ending, a marriage ending, a long-term relationship ending, or a relationship that you may be expected it to have a long-term the Nine of Cups for Aquarius. Thank you, Spirit. The Leo energy, strength. Well, you are a strong individual, stronger than you realize. This has been a challenge for you. And yeah, challenges are challenges, and we must see them as lessons. And when we get out of this, we should be better, not bitter, but yeah. Again, you cannot see that at this time because whatever you are going through is very hard here. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles. It could be that you have, as I said, that you are a mother or a father. So there is a lot that you think about, that you worry about. What will change bring? Okay. For Aquarius. Yeah. So and we have the Two of Cups on the bottom of the deck. Now, again, I'm getting strongly that feeling that you have been waiting for someone to change, to want what you want. Aquarius, there is, this time is a time of healing for you. With the Hermit here, we are also in the Virgo season. It's like you are forced to take your energy, to take your seed here and plant it somewhere else, because it's not, whatever you have been hoping for and wishing for is not coming to fruition. So you have done whatever you could. Now it's time for you to let it go and go with the flow and surrender. And trust that everything unfolds the way it should, for the highest good of everyone involved. Okay? Let's clarify the Hierophant. The Hierophant for Aquarius, the Chariot, and the Tower again here. So you are pushed to move forward. You are pushed to move forward. And this will bring only blessings in your life. But as I said, you cannot see it right now. Clarifying the Eight of Cups for Aquarius, please. The Eight of Cups for Aquarius. We have the Three of Wands for Aquarius. This has become very painful. As I said, you have been waiting for the change to come. It's not coming. This causes frustration, pain, anxiety. Don't wait for change. Become change. You must change, Aquarius. You must change, Aquarius. When something is not working, it's not working. You have tried with everything you could for it to work. You don't want to walk away. You don't want to. That even the thought of you walking away is like you are giving up. You don't want to give up. You want to fight for this. You want to fight for this, but there's a but. It's like you're doing this on your own. It's like you are all alone here. So let's see what's the advice regarding your love life for September, please. What is the message for love for Aquarius in September, please? Do something for someone else. Give your attention to someone else. That's a strong message here. So you are focusing your energy on someone that probably does not deserve your attention, is not acknowledging your efforts, your hard work here. And it could be that you need to give your attention to yourself and step away, because it's like you are knocking on a door and no one is answering, and still you are knocking and knocking and knocking on the door. I mean, when you knock a door and no one is answering you, what you do? It's like you are waiting for someone to open the door, but no one's there to answer. So let's see what's your spiritual advice. What is your spiritual advice for September, Aquarius? Spiritual advice, message for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter. Aquarius. We have love. Grief. Oh my goodness. Love, grief, and expansiveness. Divine source is the idea that no person, place, or thing is your salvation, only love itself. Tears are what happen when the ice in the heart melts. Eternity is far more creative than the rigid, constrained, and exhausted ego. Now let's see what these, it's the general advice, general message for September. I mean, this is a heavy energy. You are going through this, so you have to go through this. And everyone is different, meaning that everyone goes through the stages of grief in different way, different times. Some get out of it faster, some not so fast. Okay, so I really feel this one, so let's see. Aquarius. Partnership. Accept yourself and your colorful personality. Feel confident about being you. You are a joy bringer. Let your community nourish and protect you. Ask for help. Teamwork will give you the best results. Okay, Aquarius, you don't have to go through this alone. You're not alone. That's for sure. You have your team, your spirit guides. Not only you have people around you that care about you. Love is all around you. That's the truth. That's why, as I said earlier, focus on whom you have right now in your life. What and who you have in your life right now that is actively playing a role in your life. A healthy role. Okay, Aquarius? So if this reading did not resonate with you, you can also watch your Moon, your Rising, your Venus, and your Jupiter. Bye, Aquarius. Bye-bye.